Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Google Lens. So let's start. Open your browser and here in Google search you can see the right hand side one icon is indicate the camera icon. When you keep cursor here, the search by image indicate. Just click on this Google Lens and search any image with lens. Here you can see there are two options showing drag an image here or upload a file or paste image link and search. Okay. So just click on here the upload a file option and here the one dialog box is open. Select your image. So I select my image and click on open and that's it. And here you can see your selected image. Just scroll down and you can see the same image here showing. Google instantly showing the result of image as you selected. Okay, you can see the Google showing the different tab also exact match. Okay, when I click on, you can see the exact match images, products related to this image, visual matches about this image, and etc. Okay, I just go back and click on the all, and here you see. With this AI overview also here showing, you can see the all image with the details about this image. Okay. If you want to search the specific image, like you can see here in search bar, you already added your image. So here I add some word. So cat on road. Okay. Road images. I select this and wait for the few seconds and so you can see the cat on images as I mentioned here on road images. So here you can see the cat on road here all which was showing. Okay, if you want to edit uploaded image, just go to the search bar and here keep cursor on your uploaded image. You can see the one option is indicate edit visual search. Just click on it and you can easily crop your image here. Okay, you can see I just crop this image. Okay, after that click on this below option and here you see your crop image like that. Your here also image showing as accordingly. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.